Welcome once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how you can install apps in Windows 11. So if your PC runs Windows 11 operating system, this video will be helpful to you. Okay, the two major ways you can install applications on Windows 11 are: one, through the Microsoft Store page, or and number two, through the website of the app owner. So these are the two ways. So I'm going to cover them primarily in this video. Okay, number one, let's install an app through the Microsoft Store. So this is the Microsoft Store. Most times it's pinned at the taskbar by default. So if you click on it, it will open the store. But nevertheless, you can still access it through the search. So tap on the search icon pinned at the taskbar, and in the search space type Microsoft Store. Okay, so it has shown up. Then I'll click on the app, then hold on for the application to open. So you can download so many applications you want on your system, installed on your system through this Microsoft Store. Alright, so it's a store, like it has a lot of applications installed for you. So if you search for a particular application in that store and it's not there, you may think of another way to get the app, mainly through the website of the app developer. Okay, but here let's install one application through this store first of all. Okay, the store has opened. Then in the space that has the information, search apps, games, movies, and more, I'll type, okay, which application do I now experiment with? Okay, let's say WhatsApp. Let me experiment with WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, which is a messaging app. Okay, after typing the name of the app, hit the enter key of your keyboard. So then you hold on for the app to load, or the search to load. Okay, this is the application I want us to install in this teaching. So the next step, as the application has shown up in the list, is to click on get, this button here. So click on the get button for it to start downloading, and once it downloads, it installs automatically. That's the nice development from Microsoft. So it's not a situation whereby after the installation of the app, you go back to find the file of that app and then do the installation. No, this place, the app gets installed on the PC immediately without wasting any much time. So it's trying. Okay, so it's starting to download. So we hold on until the download is over. Once the download and installation is over, we can open the app, set it up, and start using it. Alright, so it's just few steps. But I want to hold on until the download is complete. Yeah, I know it will make the video longer, but at least I want to take everything in steps so that you can easily do that on your own without any excuses. Calculating size. Okay, just hold on. This is a practical video, so I want us to do everything practically without jumping steps. Though sometimes the downloading may be slow because of network, but in all, we will get it right. Okay. Okay, I think it's faster now. It's okay. That's 81.14 megabyte application. It's much but at least it will get downloaded at the end of the whole process. Okay, as the app is downloading, let's see if we can do a few other things. Okay, this is the first step. So what is next is after the downloading of the application, just click on the open button, the application will open. Okay, then the second step is by accessing the website page of a particular application. Okay, let's say I want to download Mozilla and don't want to do that through this Microsoft Store. Okay, I can do the download through the website of Mozilla. So I will click. You can use any browser installed on your Windows 11 computer. Okay, but here let me use Microsoft Chrome. Okay, which is installed on my computer. So I will click on the Chrome app for it to open. Then in the search space I will type Mozilla. Let's say Mozilla Firefox, okay, for Windows. See this option, so I will hit the enter key for the page to open. Okay, now this is the Mozilla Firefox website. You can see that mozilla.org. So I'll click on that. Alright, as I have clicked on that, I'll click on download now. So the application, let's check what we are doing before. Okay, this first step is over. The app has been downloaded. So I will open it, click on that open button for the application to open. Then set up anything you want to set up in the app. Okay, then I start making use of the application. So I'm done with this first step. The app gets downloaded and installed on your computer through the Microsoft Store. Okay, so let me get back to what I was doing before. This is the second method through the website. I know if the download is over. Okay, the download should begin automatically. Didn't work. Download manually. Okay, the download. Okay, this has downloaded. Okay, then we come here. You can see by the side here, Firefox installer.exe. Okay, click there and select the option to open. Let's see where it takes us to. I think this step it requires we installing it on our own. So understanding the difference, the first step through the Microsoft Store, that's the first method. The app gets installed automatically after the download. Okay, so this one through the website, we have downloaded the application already, the application file, and we're now trying to open the application file to know if it will require us to take any further steps or the application gets installed after the download. So just let's watch out and see what happens. Okay, that means we need to take additional steps on the installation. Or you can see that. Do you want to allow this app to make changes onto your device? You said yes. All right, so this application will get installed, that's the Mozilla Firefox, will get installed at the end of the process. So let's hold on and see what it has for us. Installation has begun, now installing. Okay, it says optimize your settings for speed, privacy and safety. Firefox will be ready in just a few moments. It's okay, we are waiting. Let's see how it goes. When I started using a PC about 50 years ago, Firefox was my best browser. But it happens that as time goes on, Chrome came into play before Edge, but it's still a good browser, so you can still use it on your computer. All right, Chrome browser, Mozilla Firefox, and Edge, which is owned by Microsoft, they are all good. All right, so this is trying to install. Okay, without taking much time, after the installation of this application, you can then open it. Okay, so these are just the few steps you can take to install applications on your computer. First is through Microsoft Store. When you install the app, you download the app through Microsoft Store. After the download, it gets installed on its own automatically. Okay, but when you download the app, when you want to install the app through the website of the app developer, just like we did in Firefox section, the app gets downloaded, the app file gets downloaded, then you take another bold step to install it on your computer. Okay, so let's not take much time and keep on waiting for the installation to be over, but at the end it will be installed. So these are just the few steps to install application on your Windows 11 computer. Please do want to like my video, subscribe to this channel, and leave comments. Also, if you want to watch some other videos on Windows 11, click on the playlist above on top and then watch more videos. Stay good and see you next time.